Okay, today I'm doing an A30 Samsung mobile phone. We mainly specialise in mobile phones. I'll show you the way that I do this A30. Got a plastic back on it. Number one. Oh, there we go. Number one, take the SIM out. Oops. Okay. SIM tray comes out. The back of plastic. There's an antenna running across. This bottom. So normally you go from the bottom. These I don't. I go from the top. A little bit of light heat. Because they're plastic, you can't have a lot of heat, and you just can't go ripping the back off, because you'll get stress marks, like stress marks on the plastic. Just be patient with these backs. Slowly work your way around it. You can't use a lot of heat because it'll just melt it. Just a combination of cutting, slicing. As I said, most other models, I can put a fair bit of heat onto these backs to get them off, but being plastic, I just can't do that. So, here we go. That's the antenna I was talking about, along the bottom there. Back's all off. No stress there. When you get stressed, you'll get like little claw marks just because you try to pull it off too quickly. You just got to knead your way around. Back shortly. Okay, back again. Just take that thumb scanner out. Now this plastic frame comes off. Back shortly. Okay, back again, just a few interruptions this morning. Next stage on these A30s, A30, A50, A70, pretty much very similar, is to try and get this frame off. There's a little bit of a seam here. Get your pick in there. Run it around the outside. Just take your time. Like so, frame's off. Rule number one, disconnect your battery first. Soft hands. You can use a tool, you can use a little blade. If you use a blade, you've got to be careful not to damage the board. Sometimes I just use my fingernail. And very soft hands, okay? You want to get technical, you can use one of these little tools here. Pretty much the same thing. So these have got main written on, which means that goes to the main. This is a subboard. So main goes up, stating the obvious. Okay. One black screw holding a motherboard in. This antenna here. There's a bit of light heat. Comes off, you can leave that on there. These antenna connectors are really gentle, really soft. Soft hands. Okay. Subboard here. I like to put a little bit of heat into these boards. Back shortly. Okay, back again. I'm putting my hand in here so I can actually feel how much heat's going into this board. Just a little bit of light heat. Helps the adhesive underneath loosen. Like so. That's off. That's off. There's nothing needs to be replaced at the bottom there. It's got the rubber in here, so that's all good. That's all good. Okay. Front camera, board falls out. Now, got the new one here. Take all this tape off. So just compare the new one to the old, make sure everything's there. The tape for the heat transfer for the motherboard to the heatsink, this is used as the heatsink. Microphone rubbers. Alright, now we've got to transfer this speaker over. What I do is take the whole frame out on these ones. So just take the whole frame off that one, rather than pull the speaker out separate from the frame. So it comes out with the speaker and the subframe all in one piece. Right? Transfer that across, like so. We can put our motherboard in, like so. Put this antenna ring down there. Put our screw back in. Oh, hang on, we forgot something. There you go. See, I am human. The little vibrate motor. With the vibrate motor, there is a little slot you can actually get under. Let's put there to remove that. Vibrate motor across. Take two. Camera. Now with the SPC connectors, it's just really soft hands. Just locate connector and then carefully press. So don't go pressing like a bull at a gate, okay? Just got to locate them and just click them in quietly. You're very gentle. Now this black antenna goes down underneath this little subboard. Subboard goes in. The antenna goes in. Like so. Now we locate the antenna back in there. That goes under that lip. Like so. You're looking good. Now this is the problem with these, getting these batteries out. I don't know whether the manufacturer wants you to get these out in one piece. If the screen's broken, I like to give these a bit of a twist. Like so. A little bit of heat. And they're pretty firm. Let that bit of solvent dissolve with it. Yeah, like so. She's out. We've got everything off that. Back shortly. Okay, so I've got the battery out. Very not easy to get out. Therefore, bend and break the frame. It's probably the best way to get it out without actually damaging the battery. Now, there's no holes, there's no puncture mark. If you puncture the battery, you'll have to replace the battery. Make sure the battery's nice and flat. That's come out quite good. No real easy way of getting these batteries out, I'm afraid. Except by putting heaps of solvent in and waiting, probing. Another way you can do it is to get a solid piece of plastic, flexible plastic. Get one corner up and try and get in there and push it through. That's alright, but it won't be easy. They're in there pretty tight. Now with these, you can't have the battery floating around because I've had phones done from other places. The customers come in weeks later with it not turning on, and it's wobbled around, it's broken the connector off the battery. So you must put adhesive under there. Just a couple of small strips. I don't put heaps under there because in case I want to get it out again. Battery's nice and flat. I like to locate the actual connector first and then place the battery in. Okay, how's that? It's in. Quality. So make sure this under there. Now, to put these back on, I do suggest you disconnect the battery again. Okay, welcome back. What I've done, I've put the screws all back into the back. Make sure there's no adhesive left. Any adhesive that's come off the back, on the back here I've removed it. So it's a nice and clean surface. Like so. Now I'm going to remove any adhesive that's left on the back. Only light heat. I like to leave a bit around the camera, the original waterproofing. Like so. Now along the bottom here, I'm going to put a strip in from the bottom. Back shortly again. Okay, welcome back again. I'll put a strip through there. You could put 2 strips through there. Now where this antenna is, you've got to ever pull the back off. You don't want heaps of tape on there, so I'll put like as per original, just a thin strip along there. That goes on. All done. Quality check, quality control check. Make sure all your frame is in properly. Back's on properly. Samsung. Copyright. All good. All good. All working.